Hello all, welcome to another episode at Craving Minds. Today we have come in front of you with a health and wellness topic. Every year on the 17th of September, the International Microorganism Day is celebrated. The year 2020 is special because one particular microbe has created havoc all around the world and has affected the lives of each and every one of us. As of today, the COVID-19 cases have reached up to 30.5 million and the deaths up to approximately 1 million. However, there have also been many recoveries of around 20.6 million. Yes, today's topic is how to stay safe from the novel coronavirus. Now let's get into the video. I hope that by now we all have gained some awareness about COVID-19 and the novel coronavirus. But do you know why it is still spreading across the world? Is it because some of us are ignorant? Or are we careless? Or do some of us think that we can't get COVID-19 as we are healthy and young? I think it's high time that each and every one of us acts responsibly. So let's have a look at the different measures that we can take in our daily life. Please watch the video till the end, as we don't want you all to miss out on important points. Number 1. Keep your hands clean by washing your hands using soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember the steps for the proper hand washing technique. Alternatively, you can use hand sanitizers containing at least 70% alcohol, but not more than that. Do not use it before handling fire or cooking. Number 2. Personal hygiene. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Always sneeze or cough into your bent elbow to prevent virus spread through droplets. Number 3. Follow social distancing. Remember to practice social distancing, staying at least 6 feet or about 2 arms length from others who are not from your household in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Number 4. Always remember to wear a face mask in public. More importantly, wear the mask in a proper way, covering your chin, nose, and mouth. Not under the chin and not below the nose. It's very important to keep wearing the mask even if you are talking, singing, or shouting. If you are using a reusable cloth mask for a greener earth, then make sure that you wash the mask after each use and dry it out in the sunlight, as the moisture will again serve as a breeding ground for other microbes. Once you have worn a mask, do not touch its outer surface or fiddle with it. While removing the mask, remove it by holding onto the strings attached and also dispose it off in a garbage bin. Do not throw it on the roadside or elsewhere. Each and every one of us should be a responsible citizen. Number 5. Disinfection. Disinfect frequently touched surfaces and objects like kitchen countertops, workstations in office, doorknobs, etc. using a simple disinfectant such as Dettol or disinfecting wipes or by spraying alcohol. Disinfect your mobile phone, laptop, keys, stationery, etc. once you are back home. It is said that the virus can live up to 96 hours on the screen if you are not disinfecting it. Leave your footwear outside the door. After coming back home, from office or grocery or from anywhere, immediately wash your clothes and have a quick shower before sitting and relaxing on your sofa or bed. Number 6. Ventilation. Keep the rooms in your house or workplace well ventilated. And if you are always using an air-conditioned room, then get the AC filters cleaned at regular intervals. Number 7. Do not touch unnecessarily. Do not touch your face, that is your mouth, eyes or nose unnecessarily once you are outside the house. Avoid touching elevator buttons, handrailings of the escalator, etc. with your hands or clean your hands immediately. Number 8. Embrace new ways of greeting people. Do not shake hands with anyone or hug anyone. If you are doing this, you might be putting your friend or relative at danger, in case you are an asymptomatic carrier. Do not think that the other person would feel bad, because in fact, you are keeping yourself and others safe. Instead, you can fold your palms or bow your head down a little bit, or give a gentle nod. Remember the old saying, prevention is better than cure. Number 9. Be careful while flushing the toilet. Always remember to close the lid of the toilet seat before flushing, especially if you are visiting a public toilet. This helps in the prevention of virus transmission through aerosols. Number 10. Avoid public gatherings and family get-togethers and other crowded places if not essential. Since the start of the spread of COVID-19, it is said to have spread more through public gatherings in most parts of the world. But remember, nothing is permanent in this world, and this too shall pass. Let's all be a little more patient. Number 11. Quit smoking now. We all know that smoking is injurious to health. During this pandemic, smokers are more at risk for COVID-19, and you are also putting others to risk, as you might pass the virus passively through your exhaled smoke. You are also constantly putting your hands to your lips. Your lung function would already be impaired as you are a smoker. Number 12. Develop or boost your immunity. This is one of the most important ones which we mostly ignore. But the reality is that you need to have a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and also have a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night, not during daytime. Number 13. Do not travel unless it's urgent. This is because the more cases at your destination, the more likely you are to get infected during your travel and stay, and spread the virus to others when you return. Think, would I be able to maintain a safe distance of 6 feet from some other person during the travel? Number 14. Stay at home and avoid close contact. Stay at home and self-isolate if you have minor symptoms, or seek medical attention and take all necessary precautions. If you are not sick, then avoid close contact with a sick person. Let's all act responsibly. Let the efforts taken by our COVID warriors not go in vain. Let's keep ourselves and the community safe from this novel coronavirus. Let's all hope that a permanent solution for this would come out soon. If you like this video and if this was informative for you, then please do like and comment below. Please do share this video with your loved ones and spread awareness. Thank you for watching. In our next health and wellness video, we will have a questionnaire just to check your understanding on this topic. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Until then, bye-bye. Take care and stay safe. If you like this video and if it was informative for you, then please do like and share your comments. Please do share this with your loved ones and spread the awareness. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.